Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We're continuing our series of things that you as a homeowner should know before investing in crawl space encapsulation. And today I want to talk about, does crawl space encapsulation increase your home's energy efficiency? Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to waterproofing, mold removal, encapsulation, and also we've got a DIY store you can check out if you want to do this yourself. If you're interested in owning your own business, we have franchise opportunities, as well as we can come out to your house and do an inspection for free, and we'll put a link to that down below. We hope you'll subscribe and like our channel and follow us on Facebook. Does crawl space encapsulation increase energy efficiency in the home? And the way Crawl Space Ninja does our encapsulation, yes, it does increase energy efficiency in the home, as well as make the home more comfortable. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that, hey, if you'll encapsulate your crawl space, you're going to save 25% on your electric bill, because that's just, not a promise I'm willing to make. But what we have found over the years is that people are more comfortable. The interesting thing, nobody wants to install a dehumidifier, but we have not seen home energy go up with the installation of the dehumidifier when the crawl space is properly encapsulated, because one of the reasons is your heating and air unit has to remove humidity in order to cool your home. Well, if your humidity is already low, the HVAC system doesn't have to run as hard, so it doesn't have to use as much energy. So it's kind of a wash whenever you install that dehumidifier to control humidity, because now the HVAC doesn't have to run as hard, so it kind of equals out. But beyond that, what you're going to want to do is you want to insulate the crawl space properly. Now, if you've watched any of our videos, you know that we're a big proponent of wall or foundation insulation versus installing subfloor insulation, especially if you have some kind of moisture problem or humidity issue or something like that. We want to rip out all that fiberglass or rock wool or subfloor insulation and then create a thermal break at the foundation wall. So if it's 12 degrees outside and you have foam board on that block or that concrete that's 12 degrees, then the crawl space is going to be warmer in the winter, because normally your ductwork is going to add a little heat down there. And the same in the summer. If it's hot outside, if it's 90 degrees outside, that block wall or that concrete wall is 90 degrees, then that foam board is going to create a thermal break, and then your AC is going to cool a little bit down there in the summer. A couple of misconceptions about energy efficiency is, number one, it will not make your floors warm. Your floors will not be warm because normally your thermostat is set at 70-ish degrees and your body's in the 90 degrees. So it'll never feel warm to you, but it will be warmer if you have your crawl space encapsulated. The other thing I would encourage you to do that it seems like nobody does is you should air seal major penetrations in the subfloor and also insulate and air seal the rim joists. According to buildingscience.com, insulating the rim joist is a critical seal, and it should be done and as importantly as insulating the attic. And the reason why is because air likes to travel. That cold air of the crawl space would want to travel up those walls of your home every time the AC or the heat kicks on, and it's going to draw that air up. So by putting that rim joist insulation on and air sealing it, we use a foam board and a spray foam combination to do that. It's going to keep that air in the crawl space, and it's going to eliminate drafts, okay? If you're sitting around your home and you just feel a chilly draft in the winter, that's one of the things you can do to make your home more energy efficient, and maybe all that will also save you some money in the end. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.